Hey everyone, Dale here from Little RV Rentals. So I picked up this van about last year, and I'm going to convert it into a camper van for the RV rentals. And so I just wanted to do a part series. This will be the first part of ripping out carpet and taking out some of the seats and putting in new flooring to help it out. So anyway, it's a 1997 Chevy Express 1500 with a 5.4 liter GMC, and it's got the high roof. I'll just take you a walk around. It's in really nice shape actually for the year. I believe it was just used to go to Arizona and not from Canada. But it's in actually really clean shape. It's got leather interior. Some seats need attention, but I'll have the reupholstered. Automatic, AC. I just had the remote start put in, so you just push a button and it automatically remote starts and fires up for 15 minutes. So that's good for the winter or for the AC. So yeah, nice high top van. And then you've got your two side doors here that open. I've already taken out one seat because we went camping in it, so there's a little bit of debris in here. But I'm going to be ripping out the carpet anyway, so I'm going to be taking out that chair next, and then I'm going to cut along here, all the way along, and pull this carpet out, and hopefully I can get this plate out for the chair, and remove this trim, and then put down either plywood if there's not plywood in there already, and then put like a laminate stick-on floor in there. Bed folds down flat. It's all power, so there's a power switch over there, and then it brings it back up into a 3-seater, so you can travel with it up, and then when you get to where you're going you can put it back down again. It's got nice cubby holes all around. It's got an older stereo system in it, and it has a TV, VCR. Probably remove those and put in a flat screen with a DVD player. And I'm also changing out the lights to LED. You can tell the difference right there from the old, this side's the old to the new LED, difference in brightness. So I've just ordered some more off Amazon, so those will be coming. But yeah, nice high roof. Really nice shape, this van. And all the windows have blinds on them, so you can pull down the blinds at night, which are really nice. You got some pocket doors, put things in, same with the seats. So yeah, this will no longer have the two seats in it. I'm gonna put a little kitchen up front with a sink and that. So yeah, guys, I'll show you the back here too. Yeah, so that's the back that opens up, and again you have privacy curtains, and again on this side storage, and yeah, and then the seat just folds right up with a button, and you can have it back into the driving position. Side windows open up on the bottoms, and then there's also the side door windows open up. These ones open up as well, like that, to get air, which is nice. So yeah, guys, follow me and I'll be doing some more updates on this van, and with the progress that I make. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe below, Little RV Rentals. Like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and tell me what you think of this van and any improvements that you would make yourself. Okay guys, ciao for now.